everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a dark Noir detective AI photo, one of the most trending cinematic styles right now. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Nano Banana. No Photoshops or AI subscriptions needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And after that, just tap on create image or tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana. The Nano Banana is brand new feature that lets you generate or edit images just by typing a prompt. It's super easy. Next, just upload your photo. You can use any portrait photo, but make sure it's clear and valid so the AI can detect the face better. Just tap on plus button to upload your photo and then gallery. And after that, just tap and done. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. But before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and paste it to your prompt box. And then, but feel free if you want to tweak it as you like maybe change the detail as you want. Just customize it to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then I will go back to my Gemini and then I will paste my prompt. And when you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this, there it is. Just look at this dramatic photo. It's like a dramatic, it has a dramatic lighting and then mysterious tone, and it's like a realistic movie poster vibes. This look like something straight out of a detective film. It's elegant, moody, and perfectly cinematic. And okay, that's how you can create the dark noir detective effect using Gemini Nano Banana. Just try it out with your another photo. And okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.